Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to give you a quick thing on how to make the Florida chlorinated water taste better. So here I have an Omni filter, which is actually made by many different people. Omni just happens to be a brand that we chose today for this video. This is a granulated activated carbon filter. This filter is one of the more basic charcoal filters that attach chlorine to it, and chlorine sterilizes the water to get it to us safely without bacteria. But once it gets to us, we don't need to be chlorinated. So the goal here is to pull the chlorine out of the water. Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to change a filter that's already existing. Underneath our sink, we have a filter. We have an intake coming into the filter with the shutoff. And then we have an output that comes to a designated faucet on the sink and a water line that goes to our refrigerator that gives us filtered water for our ice cubes, so our ice cubes aren't cloudy. So I shut the water off. I have a little button here that takes the pressure off the tank. And then here's my little trick is, I always spill a little water. So I'm putting a little pan underneath so when I go to unscrew the filter, I can get it. And I can tell you right now, when you go to take the filter out, plant your feet, because usually it's quite tight. Something as simple as this. You unscrew the filter. See? So I caught some of the water. So here's our old cartridge. And it's as simple as we put in the new cartridge. We check the gasket, make sure the O-ring is still in place. The cartridge will balance upright for us. And put the cartridge back on. And the trick is not to tighten it too tight. A lot of times when people put these in, they put them in so darn tight that next year, or in 6 months, they go to take it off, they can't break the seal. So now we'll turn on the water and check for leaks. We look all high and dry. So there it is. 30 seconds. Out with the old filter, in with the new. No more using plastic bottled water. We are going to drink dechlorinated water, filtered right at the point of use. We're going to save money. We're going to live better. All quick, easy tips from MrHardware.com.